GSFC University.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Yeah, good.
Yeah. What's your name, beta?
Dhruvi.
And what's yours?
Anirudh.
Okay. So, how come in GSFC University? From where you have heard?
One of my colleague actually took admission here last year, and she suggested that okay, this is the best university. So we have just come here to just inquire about the university.
Okay. So, you have given the 12th exam.
Yes.
This is a COVID situation and you were not able to give the exams, right? So, for some of the student it is good, but for those who are studying, it's not good to have a mass promotion.
True,
So-
and that's why we are a little more confused that okay, how did you cope up with this COVID-19 and how is the admission procedure here?
Actually, from the very first day, just after the COVID, it was in March last year.
True.
We had a lockdown, and we have not even missed a single class after that.
Oh,
From very first
That's
day,
fantastic.
we were having our online classes. Actually, already the GSFC University was following the blended learning procedure. That means the faculties were aware of how to take the classes online along with the offline session. So it was easy for us to switch over to online classes. So we have not missed even a single day because of the COVID.
good to know. We should keep this in mind.
Yes.
Yeah, and within 1 or 2 days, all the faculties were trained by our seniors, and they have started taking online classes. Along with that, we have managed to take the online exams, which we have called it ONTI and ONI. And even we have recorded the practicals in the lab. Means faculties have recorded their practicals by themselves in their own lab, and then we have made it to the students. They were able to see those practicals. That means their faculties were performing in the lab, which gave them a connection. We feel we have all the videos on the YouTube, but that does not connect with the student. But this makes the connection with the student, and so it was
That's a good
easy
idea.
to understand.
That's a good idea. Yeah, great. What are other facilities in the universities?
So, as you can see, as you have just come through the main gate of the GSFC, you have seen that the whole campus is lush green, and there are so many parks where the students can sit together, they can chit chat together. Even in the university campus, we have a foyer, we have an amphitheater, the students can interact with each other. Then all the classrooms, they are having the smart board, and even we are having the smart podium in the university. That means direct communication with the students online. The faculties can take their classes online from the campus itself. Along with that, all the classrooms are Wi-Fi enabled, and so it becomes easy for the students also. They also have the access, and the faculties do have the access with that Wi-Fi. Then another thing, we have the library. It is well equipped with the books, and again there are lots of content. E-contents are also available. Even the students have the, they can access the library till 12 p.m., 12 a.m. night.
That's
So,
good.
library is also well equipped.
What about the transport facilities?
Okay, transportation.
Because we are staying in a city, so coming almost outside the city here.
Yeah, but right now we don't feel that GSFC
No,
is
now-
outside the
Yes.
city. But yes, definitely all the public transport which is coming towards the Dashrath, that can be utilized by the students. The second most important thing that GSFC University, they are having their bus facility on nominal charges basis,
Okay.
and they have their 3 routes. For example, the buses are coming from Akshar Chowk, and so the students may utilize the bus facility. Other things are all available on the website also.
Very
So you
nice.
can go through the
Very nice.
route of the buses from the website.
And if we don't want to use the transport, would you like to go for the hostel?
Yes, ma'am. What are the hostel facilities available?
Hostel facilities, excellent hostel facilities. The rooms are well managed. They are again Wi-Fi enabled, and the separate hostel facility for boys and girls are there. and they are accompanied by the mess facility for the students. That means the students can avail all those things.
So how safe a girl child is here?
Girl child again, you can see that the security of the GSFC Limited, they are also guarding the campus from the main gate towards all the other gates which are present in the GSFC campus. And again, we are also having the guards in the hostels also. So the that means the girl child is very well safe in the campus. And we also have the CCTV cameras which are there on the roadside. So the girls are very well safe over here.
Nice.
So ma'am, she is interested in chemistry. So what are the courses?
Yes, for BSc Chemistry, we have two courses. One is the BSc Chemistry Honours and the other one is BSc Chemistry, that means Industrial Chemistry. So it depends upon her choice of interest that if she is interested.
Exactly difference between this, this two
Yes. Although in both the courses, that means in Industrial Chemistry and BSc Chemistry Honours, we are dealing with the core subject chemistry. But when we talk about the industrial chemistry, see, Gujarat is a hub of industry. So students do have the focus, that means after graduation they feel that we have to work. So in industry, if the students are much more interested, for them the BSc Industrial Chemistry is there. Beside the core subject of chemistry, they are taught certain aspects of chemical engineering. So for those, the BSc Chemistry, Industrial Chemistry is to be opted. But there are students who are interested in teaching field also. So basically they go for the BSc Chemistry Honours. And again, see, when we are doing BSc Chemistry Honours and Industrial Chemistry, it doesn't mean that they cannot switch over to the future prospect. Both of them have the freedom to go for MSc Chemistry, they can go for PhD, and again they can switch over their choices. That means they can go for the industry like ONGC, rubber industries, then tire industry, MRF, pharmaceuticals. They all absorb the students from BSc Chemistry as well as Industrial Chemistry. But if we are talking for the honours, the students can do their B.Ed and they can opt for the teaching field also.
Very nice. That's good actually. She's looking for that.
Yeah.
Do you have any kind of internship or something here?
Definitely, ma'am.
Yes, I've heard about it.
Yes, GSFC University's USP is the internship. Actually, after every semester, the students are allowed to go to the industry, and all those industries are managed. That means the faculties as well as the placement team is also there. They contact to the industries, and there they go and meet to the industry people, and for a month the student is allowed to do the training in the industry. So a blended type of learning is to be there. That means whatever the concepts students are learning in the classroom, they are directly being explained in the industry. So the gap which was there previously, it is like BSc student, they were facing a gap between the industry and the studies. So that gap is being removed by this kind of industrial
That's
internship.
wonderful, and that can affect to the placements also.
Yes, definitely. If the student is industry ready, that means because of the industrial internship, they becomes industry ready, and so they are directly absorbed by the placement teams. That means if an industry is coming, they can be directly absorbed by that.
Oh, yes. And what is exactly the placement ratio here?
Actually, we have a consent form for the student. They show their interest, and those who show the interest for the placement cell works for them. And because it is a graduation degree, so some of the students might opt for their PG. So all the students right now, the 2 batches have been passed out from our university, and all the students, either they have been properly placed in any industry or they have gone for their higher studies.
Very nice. And of like these children are like more on the entrepreneurships and all those kind of things. Do you have something like this to guide them?
Yes. we have a guitar cell in our university. That cell works on the entrepreneurship development. That means if a child is desiring not to do a job, he or she wants to become an entrepreneur. That means he or she want to start their own business. That is the best opportunity for them, because that cell trains them. There are so many workshops which are being organized by that particular cell. So many entrepreneurs are being called upon so that they can explain how they can work on their whatever the mistakes they have committed, that those mistakes cannot be committed by our student. So it is a very
so
good
as a
opportunity.
student, she can take part in that.
Yes, she can become the part of the guitar cell.
Wonderful. We can try that out.
Can I ask something?
Please. Yeah.
Is there any extracurricular activities conducted?
Yes, beta. There are so many facilities which are actually given by the GSFC. But being a part of the GSFC Limited, that means being a part of the GSFC Limited, the university students have the access to all the sports facility. They are having a badminton court, they are having a tennis court, swimming pool is there, gym is there. So the students have, from the very first day, they have the access to all those facilities. Besides that, we have a student managed club. So these clubs are excellent. Even the students learn so many things. They become independent. How can they manage the things? They are being taught how to become independent actually. So these clubs, you can have an overview when you join the university. You can have an overview. There are different clubs. The students will be having, some students have their interest in adventure, so we have adventure club. Some of them may be working as an aerobium club. The others may be working for biotechnology, so they have different club. Heritage and culture. There are so many students. They are science students, but they have they learn to know about their heritage. So we have heritage club, event management club. There are so many clubs.
So what about labs?
Yes, labs. The main focus of the university, as you can see the courses, either the courses are BTech courses, main focus,
Yes.
and the other one are either biotechnology and chemistry. So we have 2 labs in SOT building. They are well equipped with the chemicals, with the glasswares, with the instruments, and we have recently our new lab building is ready, and 5 laboratories are there in the new lab building. So overall total 5 only chemistry labs are there. Besides that, we have physics lab, we have computer lab, even we have supercomputers.
That's nice.
Great. What about some language?
Yes, we have language lab.
Oh, great.
Yes. There are students who love to learn English, and they are actually they want to communicate in a stylish way. So for that we have language lab.
Wonderful.
Even we have personality development and communication skills incorporated in the syllabus. That means the student, those who are shy, those who do not communicate properly, or if they are coming from Gujarati medium, they feel shy to speak in English. So in order to provide them the facility, we have a communication and skills paper which is compulsory to all students. And besides that, certain courses like foundation courses we offer to the student in the first semester. So again, that is compulsory for everybody, which is responsible for the overall development of the student.
So
Wonderful.
what about the lab safety and then medical facility?
Yes, medical facility and lab
Especially
safety.
when we are talking about the chemicals in our lab, if something happens, some mishap or something, are you equipped for?
Yes, actually all the labs, they have eye wash facility in the lab itself. We have a small kit for the first aid. That means when the student have any burn or some kind of chemical injury, the first aid can be given in the lab. And as when you have come in, you might have seen that medical center is just opposite to the main building of the GSFC University. So the students have that facility. they can just go there, and the first aid will be given to the student. Every student and faculty, the first aid is given by the GSFC Medical Center.
Wonderful. Can we know about the admission procedure now?
Yeah, the admissions actually right now the COVID situation was there and mass promotion was given to all the students, and the students will be passing with a great percentage also. So this will be a benefit to the BSc students because we'll be having a direct admission, on the spot admission.
Ma'am, is this university UGC recognized?
Yes, ma'am. Our university is UGC recognized.
Okay, great. And all the teachers are.
Yes, ma'am. All the teachers have completed their PhD, and that too from reputed colleges. Even one of the faculty has completed her PhD from Israel.
Very nice.
Some of them have completed their PhD from IIT, some from NIT. So all the faculties are well qualified.
Yeah. We visited the campus and it was nice. And where's the amphitheater actually?
Amphitheater, you have not seen. You must have seen that amphitheater. Actually, just opposite to SOT building, you'll be finding an open area.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
There
that's
is a-
that one.
Yes.
Okay, so it was really natural one.
Yeah. Even the guitar cell is thinking of an idea village. So there the students can sit, they can discuss about the ideas, their ideas about the innovation. So we are planning to have an idea village also. That will be just behind the amphitheater, and everything will be natural. We are planning to have that.
Wonderful. What about the fee structure?
Ma'am, fee structure, it is kept on the website, and you can go through it. You'll be finding the fee structure over there.
Sure. And is there any different policy? Suppose we have, some kind of circumstances where we have to withdraw our admission.
That will be there in the admission policy, ma'am. You just go through the admission policy which is kept on the website. So you'll find that. So I'll be giving you a brochure also. So the fee structure will be there in this.
Very nice.
See, you can see the brochure also. It is
Beautiful.
yeah, it is designed beautifully.
Actually, we love the idea and we love the campus, so definitely we are coming for GSFC.
Yes.
Okay, now she has to decide, whether she wants to go for the chemistry or industry chemistry or something. Okay, but we are definitely coming back to her.
Even we encourage the students to give their ideas for the brochures, even for the website also. We always encourage the students for.
I heard about that book of the GSFC University.
Yes.
Many friends in the.
Yes, student magazine. That is also run by the student, and if any of the student is having any idea, they can express in any way. It may be in the form of an article, it may be in the form of drawing, anything.
Wonderful. Very nice. So,
We hope that you'll be joining GSFC family. All the best.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Nice
you.
speaking to you.
Thank you, ma'am.